Hey guys, it's Mike. We're at Hamcation, and look who I ran into. This is Bob, the HOA Ham. He does a lot of YouTube. And all you people that look at my YouTube, my Facebook page, you see all those videos that are pinned about that Gabriel. What is it called?
It's a G Gable 7350T.
G Gable 7350T antenna. That was a big hit in field day up in St. Augustine. He's the one that did all the videos I learned from, and I used it now too. I even bought the counterpoises that they made for it. And I was messing with it before that. I couldn't get it to work. As soon as I put the counterpoises, everything worked.
The counterpoise, like the 3 on the banana plug?
No, they had the 6 15-foot on a ring, and then I added the banana plug on one of them,
Perfect.
so I don't need to put the ring on.
Perfect.
Anyway, Bob, you're in Tampa, right?
I'm in Tampa Bay, yes.
And your call sign?
KD4PMG.
KD4PMG. He's got invaluable videos on Ham Radio. Go look at it. Tell him I sent you, and you'll get to watch them for free on YouTube. Because I sent you.
Isn't YouTube great? All that free stuff for everybody.
Yeah, right? We're all millionaires on YouTube, right?
Exactly. Hey,
it's a pleasure, Bob. Have a great time at the show, and thanks for stopping by.
you bet. 73.